What if one day smartphones completely disappear? Sounds impossible, right? But many tech companies are already working on the next big thing that could replace phones forever.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Smartphones changed our lives, but technology never stops evolving. Experts believe that in the future, we may use something even more powerful. Let's find out.
Imagine wearing smart glasses that show messages, maps, videos, and information directly in front of your eyes. Future AI assistants may understand your voice and perform tasks instantly without opening apps. Technology companies are developing smaller and smarter wearable devices. Some researchers are working on technology that may allow humans to control devices using thoughts. The future may not be about holding a phone in your hand. Technology may become invisible and work around us naturally. So, do you think smartphones will disappear in the future? Comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technology content.